Welcome to Brainy Kids. Get ready to test your knowledge with fun and tricky questions. Let's get started with 3 simple rules. The Kuiper Belt, a fascinating region of our solar system that lies beyond Neptune's orbit, stretching from 30 to 50 astronomical units away from the Sun. This vast donut-shaped expanse is filled with icy bodies, dwarf planets like Pluto, Haumea, and Makemake, and countless comets and small objects. Scientists believe the Kuiper Belt holds remnants of the early solar system, offering a glimpse into its formation and evolution. Often called the third zone of the solar system, it follows the rocky inner planets and the gas giants. The Kuiper Belt is much larger and more massive than the asteroid belt, with objects composed of ice and rock. It is the source of short-period comets, like Halley's Comet. NASA's New Horizons mission provided groundbreaking data during its FLYBYS of Pluto in 2015 and the Kuiper Belt object Arrokoth in 2019. Studying this region helps scientists uncover the secrets of our solar system's distant past and its outermost reaches. True or false? All the objects in the Kuiper Belt are made of metal. False. They are primarily made of ice and rock. How far does the Kuiper Belt extend from the Sun? – 30 to 50 astronomical units. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper Belt starts at blank O from the Sun. – 30 astronomical units. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper Belt ends at approximately blank O from the Sun. – 50 astronomical units. What type of objects are found in the Kuiper Belt? Comets, dwarf planets, and icy bodies. Fill in the blank. The largest known dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt is blank. Pluto. True or false? The Kuiper Belt begins just beyond Neptune's orbit. True. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper Belt is a source of blank period comets. Short period. What mission provided data on Pluto and the Kuiper Belt? New horizons. Fill in the blank. NASA's blank mission explored the Kuiper Belt and its objects. New horizons. True or false? Pluto is the largest object in the Kuiper Belt. True. Fill in the blank. Objects in the Kuiper Belt are primarily made of blank and rock. Ice. What dwarf planets are found in the Kuiper Belt? Haumea and Makemake. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper Belt is sometimes called the blank zone of the solar system. Third zone. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper Belt lies beyond the planet blank. Neptune. Why is the Kuiper Belt important for understanding the solar system? The Kuiper Belt is important because it holds remnants of the early solar system, providing scientists with a glimpse into how planets and other celestial bodies form. Its icy bodies and dwarf planets are like time capsules that reveal information about the solar system's distant past. It's also the source of many comets, helping researchers study the movement of celestial objects and the composition of outer solar system materials. True or false? The Kuiper Belt contains more massive objects than the asteroid belt. True. Which of the following objects is not part of the Kuiper Belt? Titan. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper Belt is sometimes referred to as the blank of the solar system. Third zone. If a spacecraft travels at a speed of 40,000 kilometers per hour and takes 3.6 billion kilometers to reach a Kuiper belt object, how many hours will it take to complete the journey? To calculate the time, we use the formula. Time equals distance divided by speed. The spacecraft needs to travel 3.6 billion kilometers at a speed of 40,000 kilometers per hour. Dividing 3.6 billion by 40,000 gives us 90,000 hours. So, it would take the spacecraft 90,000 hours to reach its destination in the Kuiper belt. What shape best describes the Kuiper belt? Donut shape. If a signal travels at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second, and takes 5 hours to travel to the Kuiper belt, how far is the Kuiper belt? To calculate the distance, we use the formula. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, and 5 hours is 18,000 seconds. Multiplying 300,000 by 18,000 gives us 5.4 billion kilometers. So, the Kuiper belt is about 5.4 billion kilometers away. True or false? The Kuiper belt lies entirely beyond the orbit of Neptune. True. Fill in the blank. Dwarf planets like Pluto and blank are part of the Kuiper belt. Makemake. The Kuiper belt is sometimes called the third zone. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper belt object blank was visited by NASA's New Horizons mission. True or false? Most Kuiper belt objects are made of metal. False. They are primarily made of ice and rock. Fill in the blank. The Kuiper belt is believed to hold icy objects that formed over blank billion years ago. $4.6 billion years ago. What mission explored Pluto and the Kuiper belt? New Horizons. If a Kuiper belt object travels 360 million kilometers around the Sun in 9 years, what is its average speed in kilometers per hour? To calculate the speed, we use the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. The object travels 360 million kilometers in 9 years. Converting 9 years to hours gives us 78,840 hours. Dividing 360 million by 78,840 gives an average speed of approximately 4,566 kilometers per hour. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you next time, Brainy friends.